Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're looking to grow your online presence, you have probably heard about Rocket, SemRush, and SimilarWeb. But which one is right for you? Stick around as we dive into a quick 2-minute comparison to help you decide. Rocket SemRush is a powerhouse when it comes to SEO and content marketing tools. It offers features like keyword research, backlink analysis, and site auditing, perfect for improving your search engine ranks. SimilarWeb, on the other hand, is all about competitive intelligence. It shines in analyzing website traffic, audience behavior, and market trends, ideal for benchmarking against competitors. So, what are the standout features? Rocket SEMrush, in-depth SEO tools like Keyword Magic Tool and rank tracking, content optimization features including topic research, PPC and advertising campaign insights. SimilarWeb, comprehensive traffic analysis with real-time metrics, market research, reports for broader industry sites, audience segmentation and behavioral tracking. Here is a quick breakdown of pros and cons. Rocket SEMrush Pros, best for SEO and content marketers, tons of features for keyword and backlink strategy. And the cons are can feel overwhelming for beginners, slightly higher learning curve. SimilarWeb Pros, excellent for competitive analysis, intuitive interface for traffic data. And the cons are less emphasis on SEO, higher pricing tiers for advanced features. In short, go with Rocket SEMrush if you are focusing on content and SEO dominance. Choose SimilarWeb if your priority is understanding competitors and market trends. So, which tool do you think fits your needs best? Let me know in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.